back to my channel. For today's recipe, I'm going to show you on how to cook a vegetable curry rice. If you want to know on how to make it in a simple way and delicious, just follow the instruction and join me until the end of the video. Okay? I already got all the vegetables to make our video shorter. So let's get started. Let's start cooking. And here is now our vegetable curry. Yummy. Good. Let's see. Lots of vegetables. So, let's eat. Itadakimasu. I hope you like our recipe today. Try to cook vegetable curry. It is healthy vegetable curry. I'm sure you will love it. If you want more recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay? Thank you for watching. And see you on my next videos.